why is it that you can logically know that saving $500 is good for you, but your brain tells you that those new sneakers are essential right now?
It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is a piece of hardware designed for the Stone Age, and you're trying to run 21st century wealth software on it.
In psychology, we call this delay discounting. Your primitive brain values a small reward now way more than a massive reward later. The AI predator knows this. It uses bright colors and limited time timers to trigger that ancient urge to consume. When you think about your future self, your brain processes it as a complete stranger. Saving for retirement feels like giving money away to someone you don't even know. To win, you have to hack the hardware. Step 1, visual proximity. Keep a picture of your dream inside your physical wallet. Step 2, stop relying on willpower. Don't decide to save every month. Automate it. Make the decision once while your logic is high.
Wealth belongs to those who can outsmart their own biology. Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to rewire your brain for success. I'm Paul, and I'll see you in the next one.